Dan, I hate Deja Vu.
Let's remake Deja Vu by Olivia Rodrigo. I'm going to show you how to get that unique drum sound, how to get the lead guitar and the post-chorus sound, and most importantly, how to get those lush backing vocals. And if that wasn't challenging enough, let's do it all in 1 hour. Here we go, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Let's find the key and the chords. Chords. Do you get deja vu? Oh D. Do you get deja vu? Oh A major. Beautiful. Key A major. Chords D and A. And there's a B minor 7 in there, which is 3 of the notes in D major with a B added on underneath. BPM. And it's with you. 90 BPM. Chords and BPM after 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Flying. Absolutely flying. Let's start with the drums in the chorus. So I have battery 4 acoustic kit in Deja. Sounds Spanish. For the drums I'm hearing kick, snare. Snare, tom, snare. That's so hard to do. Let's record that in. Just because my hitting of the things wasn't very good, let me just turn down Quantise maybe like 50. That sounds really cool, doesn't it? These snares, the first one should be less impactful than the second one. Da-da, da-da. Try him in as well. Cool, that's nice. I think that adds a little bit. The max velocity seems to be killing it a little bit. And of course, we'll be putting lots of distortion on these drums anyway, which kind of makes the sound slightly less important. Where's our hi-hats? So 16th rhythm. Da-da. And every second one can be a little bit quieter than the next. So it's like ba 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 ba. You tend to hit the hi-hat harder when you're hitting other drums at the same time. The hi-hats are happening when we're not hitting the snare or the toms. I wish that lasted for a little bit longer. That's not doing what I wanted it to do at all. Put some distortion on that and see how it sounds. I love the Let's get one more snare sound. So if we go samples, snare. Okay, now I don't like that one on the last two, but I do like it on the first. Let's try and humanize it. It's something. Let's get another open hi-hat and try and double it. 2 good sounds. Okay, duplicate that across with Command or 26 minutes, 30 seconds. Let's keep going. New instrument, guitar. I feel like RC20 would be great in this as well. Brit and clean. Sure, why not? There's my back drum. Here we go. Turn down the bend a little bit. Nice. So it's 2 bars per chord. Oh Lord, 37 minutes. Texture synth. Here we go. We'll fly it, I think. I hope. So let's get this. A major. Then to B minor 7. Back to A. Oh, I got the stop. Let's put those A majors down an octave. Command T to chop this fella, just so he's a perfect loop. Fade him in the tiniest bit. Copy these then for the post-chorus. Those synth chords again. Settings on the texture synth. Chill out pad in retro synth. Filtered it a little bit different and shorter attack and a bit more chorus. Glorious. 41 minutes, 50 seconds, 20 minutes. I think we might have turned this around. Let's do the lead guitar sound in the post-chorus. If we go to retro synth, let's use this electricity lead in the synth leads. Super cool. And then we've the glide to 200 milliseconds. And that's allowing the note to slide between them, because I don't think you could do it on a real guitar, although it does sound like a real guitar. It really does. So the post-chorus, the chords are D major to A major, the chord of 4 to 1. Over the D major, we have a C sharp, which clashes with a D. Let's record it. I'll drop the volume in here at the end so it doesn't have the decay. It sounds really strange when you drop volume from like sound to like 0. It sounds very unnatural, so let me not do that. I think that's a cool way to end it. We had reverb on the track, which I probably don't want to do. Put reverb on the boost, on the back of the boost. When they overlap, that's when the glide will happen. If they don't overlap, it just goes straight to the note. Such long reverb. Okay, cool. Now the most important thing. 49 minutes, 32 seconds. We only got 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Ooh, we'll sing the lead vocals live, won't we? We will. Don't know if I know it well enough to sing it. When she's with you. It's so good. Let me listen one more time. Beautiful vocal melody. We did it too. She think it's special. You. She's with you. Do you get deja vu? Oh. Okay, I think I have it. I need to start learning these vocals beforehand. 6 minutes left. 6 minutes. Let's give doubles a go. We did it too. She thinks it's special. Kind of. Let's leave it like that, okay? I have faith. Let's try that again. So when you gonna tell her that we did it too? Oh, I nailed it. I simply nailed that. At least that's how it sounded in my head. 4 minutes. Deja vu. Oh. Do you get deja vu? Oh. Another one. Deja vu. Oh. Quick pitch correct. Oh. Way too reverberated as well, isn't it? Let's just do 2 more and closer in. Quick tune. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, what else am I missing? Am I missing anything else? Oh, and there's one last BV. Just a you. Amazing. And that's a real reverberated guy. I'll turn it down. One more. Lots of reverb. Time. Boom. Oh. Definitely a challenge to get the right sounds. I'll let you be the judge. Let me know how I did down below, please. Shout out to Olivia for doing a super job. What a beautiful song. Okay, let's sing it live. You know the drill. It'd be rude not to. Here we go. Please like and subscribe. Nice. So when you gonna tell her that we did it too? She thinks it's special, but it's all we used. That was the show we talked about. Played you the song she's singing now when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Yes. Oh no, don't play again. I just realized I forgot to have this whole thing. That song is proper. Very impressed. I like it. It's fun. Oh, that's so good. What a track. Woo.